Hi, good morning. Today we are going to see Selenium IDE part 2. Last session I explained how to create the script using Selenium IDE with a recording option and manually how to generate the script. Both ways I explained how to generate the script using recording and manually in Selenium IDE. Now today we are going to see enhancement in the script. After creation of the basic script, in order to validate how application responds, what are the actual values in application, those things to verify, we do some enhancement in the script. For that, in WebDriver, sorry, Selenium IDE, we have the three types of commands: validation commands, stored commands, wait commands. So these things we are going to discuss: synchronization, debugging test script, execution types, when to use Selenium IDE and when to use WebDriver, what are the limitations of Selenium IDE. These are the concepts we are going to discuss. Okay, first thing, enhancement in the script. The last session we discussed some script how to generate, either to go for the registration operation in Mercury Tools application or login operation, logout operation in Orange HRM project. These things we discussed, but nowhere we validated expected page title is available or not, expected element is available or not. These things nowhere we tested. Now, in order to go for the validation, we have to do some enhancement here. That is the intention. Okay, after creation of basis to perform required transactions on AUT, we do enhancement in the script in order to validate actual values in AUT. We can use following commands in Selenium IDE: validation commands, stored commands, await commands. The very first one we have the validation commands. We'll see it. It is important for us. So one question, definitely they are going to ask an interview point of either you are not working Selenium IDE. What is the difference between assert and verify commands? Because same thing we are going to see in TestNG framework while working with the WebDriver TestNG framework. Assertion commands. So, soft assertion commands. Soft assertion commands are nothing but a verify command. The assertion or assert, either one you can say assert or assertion. Also, we can say it is. So here we'll see a difference here at this level. Using this command, so we can verify actual values in application. So there are two categories of commands: assert commands, verify commands. First, I will explain the assert or assertion commands. Using assert or assertion commands, we can verify specified value or web element availability in a page. Specified value or web element availability in a page. Based on value or web element availability, it will give the status of test in terms of pass or fail. In case the assertion command fails, it will stop the execution. It won't continue the remaining script execution. That's why it will terminate your execution. So what are the commands are there? I given a very few here. Assert element present, assert title, assert text. If I go for assert element present, what is the use of this one? To check specified web element present or not in a page. Assert title, to check title of the page. Assert to text, to check the text value in web element. Visible text of the web element you want to check, you can go for the assert to text. Like this we have. I will go some examples here. Create script to check forgot your password link working or not in Salesforce application login page using assert command. You should have an idea first. This is the scenario I want to automate. So let's go for the application first, analyze the scenario. So what the requirement here? I want to check it is this forgot your password. This link is working or not. I want to check. So further, what I want to do? Procedure. Just I'm giving an idea here. So what I want to do? First, open URL, then verify, forgot your password, forgot your password, link availability, forgot your password link availability. I want to check. After that, click on link. This link I want to click. After click on the link, it's working on how to confirm. If I click on this link, so page title, verify page title. What is the page title here? Forgot your password says this page is coming, the link is working. So then after that, I want to go back to the login page. Again, I want to click on cancel. So if I click on cancel here, see, login Salesforce. If I click on forgot your password, if the link is working, it has to navigate to this page. That's the reason after click on that, I want to verify expected page is open or not. If it is open, the test is passed. Which test? This link is working. Okay, same scenario I want to automate. How we can do it is create script to check forgot your password, link working or not in Salesforce application, login page using Assert command. Okay. How to work it? First open the application here. Firefox browser I need to open because I have the add-on for the Firefox browser only. I taken this one. Selenium IDE I'm going to open. So always I'm saying that try to place the off the screen your tool and application for better visibility while recording time and execution time also. Okay, first thing you have to do like this. How to place off of the screens here? Simple way. So use Windows key in your keyboard, side arrow you have to press it is. Okay, then automatically you are going to get it is. Okay, now record a new test in a new project. I will go for the project name, automation demo. Click on OK. Now you're asking that. So base year, means which application operation do you want to record? That base year we have to give. Now I want to go for the HTTPS login dot salesforce.com. You can copy, you can paste otherwise. HTTP login.salesforce.com. Click on start record. Now it is going to open the another browser. Make sure this browser available to you. Don't close it. Okay, this one is going to recognize. Now already it is in recording mode. Now I want to check this element is available or not. How to insert the assert command? Very simple it is. So already it is recording mode. Just mouse over on that element. Once you mouse over, right click. When you right click, you are going to click Selenium ID option. If it is recording mode, if you off, this option are not going to get. Okay, make sure it should be recording state. Then go to Selenium IDE. Then you can go for the assert. What you want to verify, page title or element availability, present or not? I want to check present. Select that one. See, automatically some steps are generated here. So open base URL, set window size, the alignment not required, so I will delete it. Right click, delete. So assert element present, verify that element available or not. Then click on this link. So it got here before. You can change this. Click. After click on this, what I want to do, I want to verify the page title, right? I want to verify the page title. How we can verify the page title? See, on this page, right click. When you right click, you got the Selenium IDE. Go to assert. Here we have the title. Don't place any element, just to go for the somewhere you place, right click, Selenium IDE, assert, and then go for the title. Now you can observe that assert to title, forgot your password. Then click on cancel. Stop your record. That's it. Test name Salesforce forgot your password. That's the link we are testing here in the script I give. Now I'm going to run it. Is before going to run, I want to set a little bit slow my execution speed. Okay, I'm going to run it. Is see to open the URL. So when execution time, so it is everything is possible. It's going to give the in green color to you. So open everything is saying that complete successfully. Here assert title you see on forgot your password Salesforce okay. Now intentionally what I will try to do, I will change this title instead of Salesforce. I give the SF I give. Okay, SF I give. If I run a test, then what will happen is observe that what I said, if assert command fails, if assert command fails, it will terminate the execution. So that means if it is failed, it won't allow the script to execute. Run it is again. Now see, whenever it is failed, not matching, because titles instead of Salesforce I given SF not matching, it's saying the actual value forgot your password Salesforce did not match with your expected value, forgot your password SF. So error ended with one error. It won't go for this step execution. That is the assert command how it is going to work. Okay, we'll see another example. Try to concentrate. Create script to validate login function and manipulate this application using assert command. Again, first another scenario. This time, new tools demo AIT.com. So here, what is that name is the welcome Mercury tools. Once you do login operation, okay. So it's going to where page title is going to change or not. We have to check it is. Hmm. This application is taking the more time. Instead of this, I will go for the another application. Similar application, login operation, how to test it is. RNHRM project, I will go. So in this project, so login operations, if I want to go. Now, what is the title is that may RNHRM is there. Here, admin 123. Click on login. Okay. Now process going on. What is the title is here? Same title is there. Then how we can check is it successful login operation or not? So we go for page title as well as I will go for the another concept. Mercury tools means it is changing here. Find a flight Mercury tools. Page title you can verify. But RNHRM both are same. In this case, what we can do, this element is available or not. After login, the assign leave. This element present or not, I want to check. Okay. So then if this element is available after login, it is successful login operation. Okay. So I'm trying to do through page title as well as element present. This RNHRM project. So how we can do that? So try to sign out. I need this URL, so I'm going to take this URL. Okay, I will go for the new test. So how to go for the new test? Executing is showing that already completed. Now go to the drop down here. Go to tests. Yeah. Click on new test. Test name orange HRM. Click on add. New test I taken. Now try to change the base URL before recording. Otherwise, that previous URL only going to open to you. HTTPS, that is important. HTTPS, then open source like this. Okay, so test created, given base URL, then go for the record. You close here. So it is I myself open. Now you go for recording. It will open the browser of the screen you place. First, login option dash to do. So don't click on this username label, which is a side you click. Then enter the username admin. Enter the password admin123. Click on login. So other application page title generally changes. The title to verify you can create the assert command you can use. Place mouse anywhere, right click. So Selenium IDE, Assert, then go for the title. Page title verify. But here, before login, after login, same title is there. Now what I want to do here, I want to go for the assign leave element present or not, I want to check. Mouse on this element, right click. So Selenium IDE, Assert, and you can go for the here present. See assert element present. So after that, I want to go for the sign out also. Stop record. Okay. Now this is the way we have to create. Sometimes unnecessary steps are going to generate it. Set window size. This type of thing is there. Try to delete it. Is remaining okay. So I created script here to do the login operation. After login operation, page title to verify as well as element present. Okay. Now I'm going to run it. Is so every step is executed, which is executed successfully. It shows in the green color. Sign out operation also it is performed. So like this. Understand how to use assert command. Now we'll go for the other things. So verify commands. These are used to check web element, similar web element or value availability in application. Based on that, going to give the test status in terms of pass or fail. If it is failed, still it continue the script execution. That means whether it pass or fail, it is able to continue the script execution. Now what I will do, previous examples only I will take and I will show to you. Difference to understand. Try to understand the difference here. This is the script is there. So in the middle somewhere we use assert command. Here we use assert command. Here also some script is there. In the middle, I use a verify command here. Here I use the verify command. Now, while execution time, when we start execution of your script, if it is failed, what will happen? It will going to stop the execution. It will stop our execution. It won't allow remaining portion of script execution. So whenever we use assert command, if it is failed, it will stop the execution. It will continue the remaining script execution. Similar way, if I go for verify command, if it is failed, what will happen? Even though it is failed, it allows the remaining script execution. There is a difference. Okay, we'll see that both examples once again. Now, previous example, here I used here assert title. It is not matched. Terminated or not script is terminated execution. Now, instead of assert title, I want to change this one more. Like this, we can verify title. So I want to go verify title. Now see that if I run, so what will happen here? So this script I want to execute, it is executing on HR. So let me open this one. Set the base URL. Login Salesforce. Previously, which test you open corresponding base URL going to open. Now it's not selecting. Select the test and base URL. Make sure. Then you run it is. Assert element present. I use it here. This one. Okay, no problem. Salesforce application is going to open means that element is available. Try to press off the screen. Now title is not matched. Even the title is not matched here, you observe that is it going to execute this step or not? Assert command time, it is not executed this one. It will stop here only. But verify, even though it is filled, it allows the other script execution. Now we'll see current test RNHRM. So here assert, what is the command page title RNHRM. Okay. After assert element present, maybe what I will do, some locator value is there. Now here I will change it. Child one, child 1, 2, 3, like some other name I give. Definitely that element value is not matches with this. Then what happens here? This one I will use the verify element present. Okay. Base URL is RNHR. There is a major difference which we have. Verify to assert. Now something we're verifying, so irrespective of the application functionality flow, you want to pass or fail, you want to continue the execution, you can use a verify command. Or if it is passed, then only you want to continue the further script execution. In that case, we have to go for the assert command we have to use. Okay, so even though it is failed, it continue the remaining script execution. That is a verify command. Okay, next, almost done. Okay, next examples. Stored commands is there. What is the purpose of the stored commands? The stored commands are used to store the values in variables. Store value to read argument from edit box. So store text. So visible text of the element you want to read, page title you want to read, store alert like this. So but here echo is the command which we can use to get the to print the value in the log section echo. The variable you have to give like this dollar curly bracket variable name. I want to create the script. Script here. Example I give. So create script in Selenium IDE to read page title before and after login operation in Facebook.com application. So how we can go for this? I will go for the new test. Read title, add, give the base URL. So I'm not going to give the my original password value because where password is visible here. That's the reason. Just I'm going to give some wrong credentials. I will try to give. Now, what I want before going to the login operation, I want to verify the so title of this page before login operation. Just how we have to do right click. I want to read that one right. Right click, Selenium IDE. There's a stored title. Ask the variable name. login page. There's a variable name I given. Click on OK. Store title. This value I want to display. You can go for the last. I will go this or here itself. Here also I want to print echo target dollar curly bracket that variable name. What is the variable name I give? Login page. Login page. No double quotes. Okay. After that, I want to do the login operation. So I'm trying to give some invalid credentials here. Madhukar QAIT. Okay, I given some data here. Click on login. Then this page title I want to get. Selenium IDE stored title. Page 2 title. Click on OK. Now I want to print that one also. What is the command to print echo? Then here dollar page 2 title. Case sensitivities. Then here showing something. This one also I want to read. Store text. Error message. Click on OK. After this, click here, then enter the echo dollar EMS. Stop record. Run it is. From here it is recording result. Third step onward showing the echo. See the home page title we got here. The login will have some time it will take. The login button which is there here, no, it will take some because it is a dynamic object value is going to be changes. 3 seconds, 30 seconds of time will wait, then identify, perform the operation. So that element which is there that is not able to identify, it taken the alternative property value here. Execution is come successfully, it's saying that. That's a way how this is not executed because of some dynamic objects are there in the Facebook application, sign-in operation not completed. So, but this is the way how we can rate the title. So you can try for other examples. It is a secure dynamic object is in WebDriver. We are going to see how to handle this one. So not here. Okay, there is a problems. In some limitations are there. Okay, like this. Next, what is there here? Some example I given for RNHRM project. Try this example yourself to read page 30. Similar example it is. Then notes I will provide in the description. Try to copy the notes for practicing purpose. Synchronization. I want to wait some time. We can go for the middle. We can say the wait for element present. Wait for text. Suppose here some element is not available. RHRM project if I go. This element is not available. Sometime I want to say wait. Then what I can do here? Let me copy this. I want to insert the before going to click one step. I want to say wait here. So I can say wait for element present. Which element? By default 30 seconds of time going to be. Now what is the meaning of that here? After verify the title, after click on the login here. So wait 30 seconds of time until this element present. That is the synchronization. Okay. So wait for text. Maybe text of the element base you want to pass execution, you can go for this one. This is synchronization. I want to pass execution sometime. So you can go for the synchronization we are going to call. Debugging. So breakpoint we can set here in our script. So total script is not required to execute. I want to confirm whether my script is going to run smoothly or not. So what we can do instead of iterative execution all the script here after three steps. I want to insert the breakpoint. Right click, toggle breakpoint. If you run more, what will happen is up to here only going to execute. RNHRM. If I run it is up to this step, it will continue the execution and stop there only. It will wait, breakpoint. So the difference understand. My wait means once the time is complete, continue the execution. 30 seconds are over, it go for the execution without your interaction. But the breakpoint means you should have the interaction. You should say that it will wait until you say run again. Uh, This is the it's a current test command. So you want execution here it is. There's a breakpoint. If I click on that, you're going to start the execution again. Next steps are going to start execution. So that is the breakpoint. You how to remove this? Right click again. So I'll stop the execution. How to remove the breakpoint is right click again toggle breakpoint. It will remove it. So why debugging required? No, whatever script you created, the script is going run smoothly or not. You want to check. That is the reason. Next thing. So play current test case, play the entire test suite. Maybe same application, multiple scripts you created. One after one, you want to continue all the tests here. Go for test here. Go for the this one. All the three tests are going to execute. So particular one only I want to select this one. Set the base here. Go for this one. Only one test case is going to execute to you. Okay. So previously, what is the advantage is there are older versions. So whatever script is developed here by default JavaScript they use it here language to develop the commands here. But this script we can able to convert into the WebDriver, so Java or Ruby, C Sharp like that. This script we can able to convert. That feature is available earlier versions, but this versions they removed that one. So last 2 years that options are not given. So that given means that will be very much advantage for the WebDriver testers because we can use that script for the reference purpose. Okay, but that option is not there here. Now the question is going to ask like this: when to use Selenium IDE and WebDriver? In the following scenarios, we can use Selenium IDE. When scenario one, to check whether the application is compatible with Selenium for automation. How the whether my Selenium tool able to recognize elements properly or not. If I go for Facebook, I got some issue. Such things are there. We are not going to. We have to see the alternative for that. Okay, more dynamic objects are there. The Selenium not able to identify the elements properly. We have to check it whether it's compatible or not. Second thing, while creating scripts in WebDriver, if you have any difficulty to identify locator values, which ID we have to use, which export we have to use when you have the problem to address the web elements, just to record, you can see that the corresponding value you can use as a locator. Third one, to change script into different languages. The whatever script you developed here, the script in Selenium IDE script you can able to convert into the Java or Ruby or Python, but that option present version of the Selenium IDE is not there. Older versions it is there. But complete project if you want to automate, definitely we have to prefer the WebDriver only, not the Selenium IDE. Why it is not the reason. So explain what are the limitations of CinemaDB is it supports only Firefox and Chrome browsers. We cannot use conditional loop statements. We cannot parameter test script. That means through Excel sheet I want to pass the values, not possible. So reading data from external files like text files, XLS and database not possible. Cannot generate the customized reports. So reports is also not possible. Exception handling also not possible. That means any one step is failed. So it fails even though click on OK, not able to identify that element, it will stop the execution. Okay, there's a problem. Exception handling is not there. So the limitations of the Selenium ID. That is the reason. Just it is a recorded playback tool. Just for the confirmation, how much Selenium able to identify the web elements. Okay, just for the practicing purpose. This is maximum enough to you. So thank you. Please subscribe my channel.